Good morning, everyone. Today, on Science Day, we will show how science is not magic but logic and how it helps us in our daily life. Oh no! A black cat crossed the road. My day is spoiled.
Ha 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 ha. Relax. A black cat is just a cat, not a Wi-Fi signal for bad luck.
Then why do people say it's unlucky?
Because they believe stories, not science. Science teaches us to ask why, not just believe.
What happened, my dear? I think you're not well. Come, let's go to clinic.
If you have cough and fever, take medicine on time.
Can't I just drink hot water and pray?
Prayer gives hope, but medicine gives cure. Science saves life every day.
Farmers work very hard. Is science useful to them also? Yes, earlier we depend only on rain. Now science gives us irrigation, fertilizers and weather reports.
That's why science helps farmers grow more food.
Why do we need science, Mom? We need science because science is all around us. Science gives us electricity, medicines, clean water, and machines. So, science makes life easy and better. Science is not only in labs, it's in our homes, schools, hospitals, and field. Science is our friend. Science is our guide.
Now we understood. Science removes fear and adds facts. Let us use science wisely for a better tomorrow. Thank you.